welcome back to the Castle Grounds Lab. Today we saw a person on our Facebook Beekeepers Association page offering up a free swarm of bees. I guess she had a couple at her residence and found herself with a third swarm that she did not want and offered it up. So we went and picked it up a little before sundown, and I had plans for about the same time. So 3 or 4 hours later, I've got a box full of bees in the back of my truck. We're gonna see how well it goes into a nuke box. So what we're gonna try to do is prepare the nuke box. We'll get it set up. We'll get the feeder slot opened up. We'll get it in position. Then we'll take the cardboard box that has the bees in it. That's how they were when I got it. I guess they just went into the cardboard box. I don't know. But that's how they are now. And it's dark. It's almost 11 o'clock at night. And I would wait until tomorrow, but I have to leave at 5 a.m. and it's going to be raining tomorrow, so I really want to get them into their nuke box tonight. And I know doing this at night is not advisable, but I don't really have a choice. So there's the box with the bees in it. So we think that's the box with the bees in it. It had bees in it earlier. It's getting cool. Let's see what the temperature is. Don't look at my password, freaks. 72, so it's warm enough for flight, but it's late, so they're probably trying to rest. This nuke box is ready, but I want to clear the feeder spot. These knives work pretty good for, I say knife, these utility knife razor blades work pretty good for just clearing those slots. And I've already got a soda bottle full of syrup on another nuke that we use for this because they're not really using it. And this new swarm will need it more. So, let's see, we will get the little frame holders in place. Sorry for the poor camera work. Our cameraman is a piece of crap. Okay. So we're gonna situate this where it is vented. See that the lid rotates 180 degrees. You can either leave it vented or not vented, and the orientation and the size of the feeder you use is all you really need to pay attention to. So I'm going to use this size feeder. I want it to be vented, so that's what I'm going with. Alright, so I'm going to try to carry the nuke box, the box of bees, my bungee cords, and my aesthetic charm all in one go. I need a couple deep frames. Oh, they're buzzing. I'm gonna try to carry this all at once for my garage. Easy. Easy. So we'll put this chair right in my way. Oh, rat bastards. Oh, there's a deep frame. I could use that. Okay, so I don't know what you can see. I've got a plastic foundation a wire frame, and a better comb. That's all I've got handy. I'm gonna put the wire frame in the middle. And we'll see what the bees take to first, the plastic frame or the better comb. Do you hear that screaming? I think that's a frog. They are terrifying. All right, so we're gonna get you pointed at this box here. We're about to dump it in. I don't have any smoke or anything. Oh, there's bees in there. Oh yeah. Look at that. They're beautiful. Y'all are real beautiful. I'm just gonna pour them in. Hey, go in there. Come on now. Try not to get my hands in the frame. Let go, guys. I need like a spatula. So, do I use my hand? I don't think so. Alright, I'm just gonna smack it. Wow. That's amazing. They like come off as a group. Okay? We've got a little bit of bees left in the box. We're gonna do the same thing. Wow. Look at that. They just don't hang on for the long haul. It'd be really cool if we could see the queen. We're not gonna inspect. We're gonna let these guys do their thing. We're gonna put the lid on. We're gonna put the sugar syrup on. And we're just gonna see what happens. In a couple days I'll come back and I'll add a couple more frames. I just didn't have anything else here at the house. And the screams of those frogs are freaking the bees out, so we're just gonna go to bed. Until next time, thanks for watching.